Hey everyone, if you saw my story last night, you'll have seen that I teased that I had a little bit of exciting news to tell you. So here it is. I'm really delighted. You might recognise this. The Irish Garden magazine. It's full of great advice and really brilliant contributors. And I'm pleased to say, I'm now one of those. I'm going to be writing in the Irish Garden magazine, and my first article has just come out in the early spring 2024 edition. I'm going to be doing a regular 2-page spread article called Starting Out, which is going to have really key principles, how-tos, and great inspiration for how you can have success in your own garden. In this edition, it's how to grow microgreens, because let's face it, we all want to scratch that seed sowing itch at the moment, but it's January and your choices are limited. Microgreens is a great thing to get going. So if you want to know how, or you want to read my article, go and check out the Irish Garden magazine. Go and pick up a copy. It really is fantastic. Forget just my article. There is loads to enjoy. I think you're going to like it. And that's all my news.